Right, here's how to find the perimeter of part of a circle. The formula for perimeter of a circle, circumference as it's called, is 2 times pi times the radius, which is 2 times pi times 5 for this particular circle, which is 31.4 centimetres. Moving over to this circle here, how much of a circle is that? The formula for the perimeter of a circle is still the same. 2 times pi times the radius, but because it's half a circle, we are going to multiply that by half. So we are going to get half times 2 times pi times 5, which is going to be 15.7 centimetres. Now that is going to give you this bit here of the circle. But the perimeter also includes this bit here of the circle, which is the diameter, or we're working with radius, 2 radiuses of the circle to get that section. So we have to add 2 radiuses to our formula. We have to add 2 times 5 here, and we have to add 2 times 5 here. So we're actually going to get 25.7 centimetres to go all the way around half of the circle and that line across there. I'm going to come back to this one in a minute. This one here is a quarter of a circle. So we're going to write our formula like this. Circumference equals 1/4 times the formula 2 pi r, and that is going to get us this bit here. So we are also going to have to add the radius and the radius. Now this is from the middle of the circle to the outside, so that is actually the radius, and so is that. So we are going to have to add 2 radiuses. Okay, if you don't know how to multiply something by a quarter, try dividing the thing by 4. So you can type in 2 times pi times 5 and then divide it by 4 on your calculator. So going to write this down here, 1/4 times 2 times pi times 5 plus 2 radiuses, that's 2 5s, we're going to add 10. So 1/4 of 2 times pi times 5, that's 1/4 of this, which is going to be 7.85 plus 10 is going to be 17.85. You might want to check these, I did them in my head. Centimetres. And here's another one. The circumference of the circle would be 2 times pi times the radius. And how much of a circle is that? It's 3/4. Now, if you don't know how to multiply something by 3/4, you multiply it by 3, and then you divide it by 4. That answer by 4. So 3/4 of the circumference gets you all of that round curvy bit, and then you have to add the radius and add the radius plus 2 radiuses. Okay, so I'm going to go 2 pi r, I'm going to multiply it by 3, and I'm going to divide that answer by 4, and that's how we multiply by 3/4. So all of that, and then we're going to add 2 pi radiuses, which is, 2 radiuses, 2 5s, which is 10. Now I don't know if I can do that bit in my head. sure I can. I'm going to use a calculator. I'm going 3 times 2 times pi times 5 equals, I don't think I needed to equal, but I'm going to do that anyway, divided by 4 equals plus 10 equals 33.56. And it is centimetres. Okay. I think you can have a go at some of those as well.